What if you could create a market where there's no competition at all? Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not. It's a proven business strategy called Blue Ocean Strategy. Stick around because I'm going to show you step by step how to create a market where your competitors can't touch you. The problem with competing: most businesses operate in what's called a red ocean, a crowded, bloody space where companies fight tooth and nail for customers. Think about fast food chains, phone companies, or gyms. Everyone is battling over price, ads, and features. And it's exhausting. Now, picture this. Instead of fighting for a tiny slice of the pie, you bake a whole new pie. That's what the Blue Ocean Strategy is about: creating new, uncontested markets where you're the only option. You don't compete, you dominate. Step 1. Stop fighting, start creating. The first rule of Blue Ocean Strategy: don't fight over what's already there. Instead, ask yourself, who isn't being served? What problems are out there that no one is solving? Examples: Netflix. Before Netflix, renting movies meant late fees and trips to the store. Netflix didn't compete with Blockbuster. They created a whole new way to watch movies at home. They weren't just better, they were different. Tesla didn't try to compete with gas cars. They created a luxury car that appealed to eco-conscious buyers. Now, they're leading the market. The key? Stop asking, how can I beat my competitors? Start asking, what can I do that no one else is doing? Subscribe for more strategies on creating your own market and staying ahead. Step 2. Solve problems no one else solves. Let's take a look at a business closer to home: gyms. Most gyms target young, fit people who already love working out. But Planet Fitness went after a completely different crowd: people intimidated by traditional gyms. They made their gyms affordable, beginner-friendly, judgment-free. No heavy lifting, no pressure. Their competition couldn't follow without changing their entire model. Ask yourself, what frustrations do customers have with your industry? What's missing? That's your blue ocean. Step 3. Add value. Cut what's not working. This step is called value innovation, offering something better and cheaper by cutting what customers don't care about and adding what they love. Example: Southwest Airlines didn't compete with luxury airlines. Instead, they focused on short, affordable flights, cutting unnecessary perks like in-flight meals. This brought in people who didn't usually fly at all, creating a brand new market. Think about your business. What can you cut to save costs? What can you add to stand out? Step 4. Test and expand. Once you found your idea, don't wait. Test it. Start small and see how your audience responds. Example: if you run a local coffee shop, try offering a play area for parents with kids. If it works, expand the idea. Why Blue Ocean Strategy works? Here's the thing: when you compete, you're playing by someone else's rules. But when you create a blue ocean, you make the rules. You grow without the constant pressure of outdoing someone else. Your turn to make waves. If this sounds like the fresh start your business needs, here's your action plan. Number 1, find the gaps. What's missing in your industry? What frustrates people? Number 2, focus on non-customers. Who isn't buying right now and why not? Number 3, innovate and simplify. Add what people love. Cut what they don't need. Forget competing. It's time to create your own market where the competition doesn't exist. If this got you thinking, hit like, comment, and subscribe for more game-changing strategies. Let's go build your blue ocean.